It is Vlogmas Day 6. Santa's little elf stole Santa's hat and is ready to light up your holidays. Let's get started with our advent calendar. Today's lucky house is this one. The card and the treat. Our card for today is Starbucks macchiato at home. I am really excited because I really need a coffee, and also I was thinking about making some Christmas DIY Viking ornaments, so this is a great start, I guess. Let's go ahead and make our coffee. Thousands of years later, our coffee is ready. I don't know if this project fits your style, but it is still something interesting. I am going to take these little pieces of wood, carve them, paint them, and turn them into Christmas ornaments that look like Viking runes. So let's get started. I've already tried to make one and it turned out like this. I've got these little pieces of wood and they didn't have a hole, so I had to drill one, and now they are just ready to get their mark on and look stunning. Already have the equipment that we need, colors, and a way to carve the wood. I also did some research because I don't know about the letters. First of all, I am going to write the letter that I will be trying to make and then carve it. Not the easiest ever, but we will still do what we want. These people were carving rocks, and what am I? Can't I just carve a wood? Maybe we can just paint it now. I want to make it look like it had been burned. Not looking bad. According to Wikipedia, this one is the N, so N from Naya. Let's go ahead and make two A's and a Y. According to my phone, the A is this one. Earlier, I also tried to paint here the A. Seems pretty easy, doesn't it? Let me first just scratch it a bit so this can follow. I get anxious like it won't look good at the end, but still, did the ancient people have the perfect symmetry? I don't think so. I think that it is ready to be painted. Dark on the inside, black like the coal, medium brown, and light brown, exactly outside the medium one. Not bad. So right now we have Childhood plays a really big role on the likes that the person will have when growing up. And while young, I always remember myself playing Age of Mythology with my sister, and at that time we thought that Norse, Odin, Loki, Thor were hard, so I started learning how to play with them, and since then I am really into all the Viking and ancient civilizations. I really like them, and I remember at my teen ages that I loved playing Dragon Age, the Dragon Age Origins, and there they had the little dwarfs that had the runes and the runic alphabet, which I really loved, but I never understood a thing. So yes, this is something that reminds me of my childhood and makes me feel like I need to play again. So let's just ask the Google maids once again, what letter is the Y in runic alphabet? And I see no Y here, but I guess it is the J, because I tried to learn a bit of Norwegian and the J is pronounced as Y. Yeah. Yai. If you know Norwegian, just don't blame me. I am just a beginner. So the Google says that it is this one, so this is what we are going to try and make. And I almost forgot, I've painted it earlier here on my forehead. And an A. These two are small, like this one was bigger. But still, nothing needs to be the same. Everything has its character. Let's just scratch them a bit. If you are under 15, just don't try this without a parent. I don't want any blames. You can easily cut yourself, so always be careful with what you are doing, okay? Some parts are really hard. I really enjoy carving for some weird reason. Not like I tried to do it before. These are the tools that my sister uses. But you know, they say that every day try something new, and this is what we are trying to do with the advent calendar here. And the third letter is also ready. So let's paint it. As before, we are going to put black on the center to remind the goal, dark brown, medium brown, and light brown in order to make it seem like burned wood. Dark brown, black on the inside, medium brown, as an outside stroke, and light brown exactly at the outside. Below, and try to remove any ornaments. Our Y is also ready. Now we need to make another A. This one. I don't know if they would write my name like this, but I guess that is the way it should be. N-A-Y-A. Naya. Now let's put some rope. My initial plan was to write Naya YouTube, but I found it kind of hard. I don't know how some people can wood carve all the day. It is hard, especially with this wood. I don't know about the other types of wood, which wood is better for wood carving. I would love to know that if you know something about it. And now I've got these tiny pieces of rope which we can use in order to hang our new DIY ornaments. And they seem to be hard. This is where these will come handy, I guess. I hope. Okay. It is lit. I guess I could carve on the back the same letter, so whether you see it like this or this, it would be the same. I might do it later. This is the second one, third one, and the fourth, which is the last one. Let's hang them. And so now we are done. So what do you think? Do you like the result?